Ever felt like diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency but found the whole exchange thing a bit daunting? Like trying to understand a new language while juggling flaming torches? You're not alone. Many newcomers to the crypto space feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of platforms and the seemingly complex processes involved. But what if I told you there's a platform designed with simplicity and user-friendliness in mind, especially for Canadians? That platform is Newton Exchange. Now, before your eyes glaze over with talk of wallets and order books, stick with me for a few minutes. Think of Newton as your friendly guide into the crypto universe. It's built to make buying, selling, and even understanding cryptocurrency as straightforward as possible. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into Bitcoin, explore the potential of Ethereum, or get acquainted with other promising digital assets, Newton aims to be your go-to Canadian platform. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to take that initial feeling of overwhelm and transform it into confident know-how. We'll walk through every step, from setting up your account to making your first trade and beyond. No jargon-filled explanations or overly technical talk, just clear, actionable steps to get you comfortable using Newton Exchange. So, are you ready to demystify crypto trading and discover how Newton can be your launchpad into this exciting digital frontier? Let's get started. 1. Signing up and account verification, your first step. Think of signing up for Newton like setting up any other secure online account. You'll need to provide some basic information to get started. Head over to the Newton Exchange website or download their mobile app. Both offer a seamless experience. You'll typically be asked for your name, email address, and to create a strong password. Remember, this is your gateway to your digital assets, so make that password a tough one. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is also highly recommended right from the start. This adds an extra layer of security, usually requiring a code from an authenticator app on your phone in addition to your password. Trust me, taking a few extra seconds for 2FA can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Once you've entered your initial details, you'll move on to the crucial step of account verification. This is a standard procedure across regulated cryptocurrency exchanges to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Think of it as confirming your identity, just like you would when opening a bank account. Typically, this involves providing a government-issued photo ID, such as your driver's license or passport. You might also be asked to take a selfie to confirm your identity visually. The platform will guide you through the process, and it's usually quite straightforward. Be sure to provide clear and well-lit photos of your documents to avoid any delays in the verification process. Verification times can vary, but Newton generally aims to get you verified quickly. Once your account is verified, you'll receive a confirmation, and you're ready to move on to the next step. 2. Funding your account, getting ready to trade. Now that your account is set up and verified, you'll need to fund it with Canadian dollars, CAD, to start buying cryptocurrencies. Newton offers several convenient ways to deposit funds. One of the most common methods is through Interac e-transfer. If you're in Canada, you're likely familiar with this secure and fast way to send money online through your bank. Within the Newton platform, you'll find the specific instructions and recipient details needed to initiate an e-transfer from your online banking portal. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully, especially the reference or memo field, to ensure your funds are credited to your Newton account correctly. Newton may also offer other funding options, such as bank wire transfers. The details for these methods will be available within your account's deposit section. Keep in mind that processing times for different funding methods can vary. Interac e-transfers are usually quite quick, often appearing in your Newton balance within minutes or a few hours. Bank wire transfers might take a bit longer. Once your funds have been successfully deposited, you'll see your CAD balance reflected in your Newton account. You're now ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency trading. 3. Navigating the Newton interface, your trading dashboard. Before you jump into buying and selling, let's take a quick tour of the Newton interface. Whether you're on the web platform or the mobile app, you'll find a clean and intuitive layout. Typically, you'll see a dashboard that provides an overview of your account balance, the current prices of various cryptocurrencies, and possibly some charts showing price movements. Look for sections dedicated to buying, selling, and your transaction history. Familiarize yourself with the different cryptocurrencies available on Newton. You'll likely see popular options like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, along with other altcoins. Each cryptocurrency will usually have its current price displayed. Take a moment to explore the different sections and get a feel for where things are located. The goal is to become comfortable navigating the platform so that when you're ready to make a trade, you know exactly where to go. 4. Buying cryptocurrency, making your first purchase. Alright, you've funded your account, and you're familiar with the interface. Now comes the exciting part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Let's say you've decided you want to purchase some Bitcoin. Navigate to the buy section of the platform. You'll then need to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, in this case, Bitcoin, BTC. You'll be presented with a few options. You can usually choose to buy a specific amount of Bitcoin, e.g., 0.01 BTC, or spend a specific amount of Canadian dollars, e.g., 100 Canadian dollars. Enter the amount you wish to buy. Newton will typically show you the current price of Bitcoin and the estimated amount of BTC you'll receive based on that price and any applicable fees. Pay close attention to these details before proceeding. Once you're happy with the amount, you'll likely see a review order or similar button. Clicking this will give you a final confirmation of your purchase details. Double-check everything to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, confirm your purchase. Congratulations! You've just bought your first cryptocurrency on Newton Exchange. You should see your Bitcoin balance updated in your account. The process for buying other cryptocurrencies on Newton is very similar. Simply select the desired cryptocurrency in the buy section and follow the same steps. 5. Selling cryptocurrency, cashing out your assets. When the time comes to sell your cryptocurrency, the process on Newton is just as straightforward as buying. Navigate to the sell section of the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, for example, the Bitcoin you previously purchased. Similar to buying, you'll have options to sell a specific amount of the cryptocurrency, e.g., 0.005 BTC, or sell an amount equivalent to a specific amount of Canadian dollars, e.g., sell $50 worth of Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to sell. Newton will display the current selling price and the estimated amount of Canadian dollars you'll receive, taking into account any applicable fees. Review these details carefully. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.